In this video, I will show you how to create a poster mockup in Photoshop. Okay, let's go to the video. Choose the object selection tool and click select subject. Press Ctrl J to copy the selection to new layer. Choose the rectangle tool and draw a shape like this. Lower the opacity and right click to convert to smart object. Then press Ctrl T and right click to choose distort and follow the process. Right click and choose warp and follow the process. And the last, press enter and double click. After that, import your poster. Then press Ctrl T and adjust the size and position. After that, press Ctrl plus S and save the image to the mockup. And change the blending mode to multiply. Right click to create clipping mask. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. And also subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also check out my other videos on my channel. Thanks for the support guys.